Hey, thank you for tuning into another video. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Before getting into the video, please feel free to let me know in the comment section below if there are any adjustments that would make your viewing experience better, whether it be the framing, positioning, or specific content that you'd like to see. Thank you. From the first clip, you can see the spark plugs were definitely due for service. Not really sure when they were last done, so I'm glad I was able to take the chance and just get it done. I really hate this job just because of how tight the tolerances are and kind of how frustrating and annoying the coil packs are. So kind of just talking through the video, first things first is remove the airbox completely. You'll see me kind of jump into the first spark plug. That was kind of a mistake. I purchased a new POV mount setup and I didn't realize it was pointed in the wrong direction, so I fixed that later in the video. Anyways, getting back to the spark plug service itself, highly recommend purchasing the spark plug tool. It will greatly assist you with removing as well as reinstalling some of the coil packs. So number one, get that tool. In addition to that, you'll want an assortment, and I say an assortment of extensions, flex joints. 1/4-inch ratchet is my specialty tool, quote unquote, for this service. I've done this service a few times in the past, but it's been a little bit over 5 years since I've done it. For some reason, this time felt a lot more difficult than I can recall. Specifically on the driver's side, you'll see that I skipped the last spark plug by the firewall. Not sure if the last shop had routed the fuel lines or the lines kind of backwards, but it literally felt like there was no space back there to pull out the coil pack without really kind of forcing things around. So that was a nightmare. I actually broke off the coil pack top by mistake. Well, not really my mistake, not really brute force either. I was just working with the limited space that I had, and unfortunately the top broke off. Fortunately, I was still able to get that coil pack out, the spark plug out, and complete the service on that side. Moving over to the passenger side, which is supposedly the hardest side. This side was actually a walk in the park. Apart from loosening the coil pack by the firewall on the passenger side, everything else was straightforward. I still utilized the 1/4-inch ratchet. I have all of these attachments, swivels, and so forth, so it helped me out. Though I was only able to turn that ratchet like a 1/4-inch at a time, I still got the job done with it. It was good enough to loosen it and then completely remove it by hand, and vice versa. I was able to tighten the spark plug and snug it up. The funny section in this video that you'll see is how much I struggled to take out that rear coil pack. You'll see that I had a glove on. The glove got torn. Glove got torn even more, and then you'll see a clip with no glove at all. So that was a bit of a nightmare just to get the coil pack out, but still better than the driver's side. At least on this side, it's just that one big hose. I think it's the heater core hose. Just kind of move that to the side, and the coil pack, just a little bit of finesse, it'll come out, it'll go back in the same way. 1/4-inch ratchet's your best friend. So apart from that, I guess some advice when completing this service: take your time, take some breaks. Obviously this video is highly edited, but I took breaks. After I finished the driver's side, or even with that struggle pack in the back, I took 5-10 minute breaks in between just because I was getting so frustrated on not having the space, it just being in such a confined location. But slowly but surely, I got the job done. I think all in, it took me roughly 2.5, 3 hours. Obviously, if you're an actual skilled mechanic, it's not going to take you that long. I don't claim to be a mechanic. I'm not certified in any way. I am a quote-unquote YouTube mechanic. I watch videos on YouTube and I will go and do the repair myself, unless it's something extremely intricate. So that being said, take your time. There's no need to rush or force anything, especially when you are removing or installing the spark plugs. You do not want to cross thread the spark plug. You're gonna have a world of pain. So take your time and everything will be fine. Yeah. So after I completed the job, I just started up the car just to make sure everything is running, it's not misfiring or anything like that. Left the lid off just in case I had to go back in. So the final thing is just reinstalling the lid and we are good to go. I took it out for a test drive. I didn't get a chance to record it, but the car did run so much smoother. In the past, it kind of bucked back and forth here and there, depending on downshifting, going down a hill and you're off the gas. So I'm glad all that was cleared up. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already done so. I will continue to look forward to creating and sharing more content with each of you. Thank you.